Hi everyone, I'm Suyok from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to clear shopping history on Snapchat. Removing your shopping history helps protect your privacy and keeps your app activity organized. So, let's get started on how to clear shopping history on Snapchat. First, open the Snapchat app on your device. Tap on the profile icon from the top left corner of your screen. Now tap on the settings option at the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down and tap on the clear data option. In the clear data menu, you will find the clear shopping history option. Tap on it. A confirmation message will appear asking if you really want to clear your shopping history. Simply tap on the OK button and confirm your choice. And this is how you can clear shopping history on Snapchat.
Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.